I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by resetting the physical path. Power cycle the Xbox and router to clear temporary faults. Once done, confirm the exact SSID and password on the router so you don't guess. Make sure the console is within 3 to 6 meters of the router, and remove nearby interference like microwaves or cordless phones. These steps fix the majority of transient issues and prepare the system for deeper network checks without wasting time on needless settings changes. Next, you'll work through the Xbox network stack. Run the built-in network test to get live error codes and latency numbers. Write them down. If you see IP conflicts, switch the console to automatic DHCP or configure a static IP with the same subnet as the router. Then check for and apply firmware updates on both the Xbox and the router, because outdated firmware often causes handshaking failures. Make sure to retest after each change to isolate. Finally, refine the wireless environment and port access. Change the router channel to 1, 6, or 11 and set 20/40 MHz for 2. 4 GHz to reduce interference. For 5 GHz, pick a clear channel. Enable UPnP or forward port 3074 UDP/TCP so Xbox services can connect reliably. Use DMZ only if you understand the security trade-offs. If problems persist, plug the Xbox into Ethernet to confirm why.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.